Bank of Commerce. What we are is personal banking, where we understand that every deposit is your hard-earned money. Every loan is for good reason. Every service aids in your convenience. Every business of ours is meant to grow yours. We hear you, feel you, and we act on your every banking need. Bank of Commerce, an affiliate of San Miguel Corporation.
Hello everyone, thank you for allowing us the chance to share with you about our presentation. In this video presentations, we will give you a quick overview of the Bank of Commerce, one of the country's progressive commercial bank. First, allow me to introduce myself and my group mates. Hi, my name is Perquini Perez, together with my group Aranda John Chris, Medina Amiri Joy, Ortega Jericho, Ranoko Adim, and Viga Aaron. We are all here to explain the importance and purpose of the Bank of Commerce, an affiliate of San Miguel Corporations. This is the list that we are going to discuss about the Bank of Commerce, the objectives, the company backgrounds, the ownership structures and board of directors, the products and services of the Bank of Commerce, and lastly is the role of Bank of Commerce in the Philippine financial system. At the end of presentation, you should be able to assess the background and the history of Bank of Commerce, determine the ownership structure and the current board of directors, differentiate its products and services, and explain the role and contribution of the Bank of Commerce in the Philippine financial system. Bank of Commerce or Bancom is one of the country's progressive commercial banks, and with a universal banking license from the BSP. The BSP approved the upgrade of Bank of Commerce from commercial bank to universal bank. Bank of Commerce, an affiliate of San Miguel Corporation, became a subsidiary of San Miguel Corporation in 2008. The bank has online banking facilities for retail and corporate clients, Bancom Personal and Bancom Business, and a new mobile banking app to encourage customers and corporate clients to transact regular banking services such as bill payment, fund transfer, card loading, and other services via this online banking platform.
Now, let's proceed to the Bank of Commerce history. In 1963, the Bank of Commerce was started operations and origin with headquarters in the Binondo, Manila. The Bank of Manila was changed into Commercial Bank in the year of 1980. In the year of 1988, Boston is the oldest bank in the United States. They are the group of Combank, therefore, the bank was renamed in the Boston Bank of the Philippines. With the improvement of condition, the Boston Bank became official name into Bank of Commerce. In the year of 2008, they are affiliate of San Miguel Corporation and became shareholders of Bank Commerce. The bank was revealed the new tagline in the year of 2016. The San Miguel Corporation was started to release the new logo in the year of 2018. In 2020, with the initial public of offering, give the short name of Bank Commerce into Bancom. In the year of 2021, approved Universal Bank of License and they provide banking solution and product service. In March 2021, had 140 branches and 261 ATMs. June 30, 2022, the Bank of Commerce get 15th biggest rank in the Philippines, and the total asset is 207,568.83. Mission and vision. Their mission is to provide excellence banking and competent professionals to put customers' needs first. And they are committed their visions to provide exceptional financial service with their business ecosystem and to build a nations.
The contract of trust. The Bank of Commerce upholds the interests of its customers as the primary reason for its existence, believing that public trust requires the highest degree of integrity, tested skills, and best effort. The bank's foundation and focus are anchored on values that enhance the lives of its customers. Sound fundamentals as basis for profitable business. Bank of Commerce operates on sound fundamentals to create an environment of profitability, enabling the bank to pursue its goals of serving both its external and external customers.
The corporate citizenship as an enduring testament. The Bank of Commerce aspires to endurance institutions through good corporate citizenship. And for a new generation of Filipinos who live by four core values of personnel with the integrity, family unity, civic responsibility, and the global solidarity. Our service promise with integrity and financial stability, the bank promise with a meaningful banking and warm professional with participate and fulfill their needs and friendly environment.
San Miguel Group owns approximately 79% of Bank of Commerce through San Miguel Properties and San Miguel Retirement Fund. The bank keeps a database of its related parties as well as San Miguel Corporation conglomerate structure that concern business units used as a basis for deciding if an account is a related party. The database and conglomerate structure dated at least once a year or more frequent as needed to reflect its changes in corporate structure. The Board of Directors is an executive committee who oversees the activities of an organization. In the Bank of Commerce, it is headed by the chairman, Mr. Francis E. Chua, who is also chairman of Dongfei Automotive Inc., chairman and president for Philippine Satellite Corp., chairman and president for CLMC Group of Companies, and he is also the chairman for Philippine Silk Road International Chamber of Commerce. He is the president of Philippine Business Center Inc. He is the founding chairman at BA Securities Inc. and he is also the vice chairman of Togo Group. He is the vice chairman of Basic Energy Corporation and the chairman of the Foundation for Crime Prevention. Founding chairman also for International Chamber of Commerce Philippines and also the chairman at Green Army Philippines Network Foundation Inc. Michael Angelo R. Aguilar is appointed as president and CEO and a member of the bank's board on July 16, 2018. He has more than 35 years of banking experience in corporate banking, global markets, and treasury. Mr. Aguilar served as Executive Vice President and Head of RCBC's Corporate Banking Group and Director of RCBC Leasing and Rental Corporation. He also served as Managing Director and Head of the Origin and Client Coverage Unit of the Wholesale Banking Group, and also with the Global Markets Country Head Standard Chartered Bank. He also served as Solid Bank's Corporation's Senior Vice President and Treasurer, as well as Citibank NA's Asset and Redeployment Coordinator.
Products and services. Bank of Commerce provides innovative banking solution and a complete range of products and services in deposit, commercial loans, credit card services, consumer banking, corporate banking, treasury, asset management, transaction banking, and trust and investment. Retail products. Any product containing AdWords inventory that resellers offers to sell to advertiser during the term is referred to as a retail product. Securities, a financial product, or any other arrangement involving the taking of money on deposit to offered to a retail investor are examples of retail products. Corporate banking. The branch of banking that works with corporate clients is referred to as a corporate banking. Commercial banks provides loans that help firms expand and recruit more employees, so fostering the growth of economy. Both varieties of banks provide a range of goods and services. Credit card. You can utilize credit cards available line of credit to make a purchases, debt transfer, or cash advances. But you must repay the loan's principal at some point. You must pay the minimum amount due on your credit card each month by the due date in order to use it. Trust products and services. Just starting to invest? Let Bank of Commerce share with you the power of retail investment and guide you in journey in the exciting world of UITF. For as low as 10,000 pesos, you may choose from a conservative, moderate, or aggressive type of UITF. Just have yourself assess to see which UITF suits you. And more importantly, be educated on the pertinent risk. Fiduciary services. Interested in tapping the investing public for the needed capital of your business expansion and other long-term expenditures? Do you need an objective party for your credit facilities? Bank of Commerce shares with you the technical expertise to come up with the best arrangement and execute them. Investment management accounts. Perhaps you already have accumulated so much fund and looking for higher yields, whether it be maximize your short-term and long-term funds. Let Bank of Commerce source suitable investment and set up you an investment management account for you.
Next, treasury product. First, fixed income government securities. Next, corporate bonds. And the last, foreign exchange. Next, transaction bank. First, bank of business. Next, fund manager solution, deposit inquiry services. Accountant transaction history. Bank statement downloading. SOA download. Payment management. Next, payroll crediting service. Next, auto credit arrangement. Fund transfer to third-party accounts. Fund transfer to other banks. Corporate to check-up cutting service. Collection management solution. Auto debit arrangement. Next, digital channels. First, personal online banking, web and mobile app. Bank set point of sale. Next, automated teller machine ATMs. Next, vintage card solution. Next, a remittance service. A remittance is a money that's sent from one party to another. Broadly speaking, in payment of an invoice, bill can define a call remittance. First, Sikap Pinoy or OFW account. Next, Sikap Pinoy Ascenso program. Next, credit to accounts with Bank of Commerce. Next, also part of remittance service. Credit to accounts with other Philippine banks via PesoNet. Credit to accounts with other Philippine banks via InstaPay, Cash, Home Delivery. First, Al-Ansari Exchange. Next, Bank Al Jazeera. Next, Eastern and Align. Next, MoneyGram. Next, Prab Humani Transfer Transpass. Next, Euremit International Corporation. Next, cash pickup service via Bank of Commerce branches from international remittance partners. First, M. Luher, Cebuana, Express Palawan Pawn Shop, RD Pawn Shop. Next, international trade services. First, domestic letter of credit, domestic standby letter of credit. Next, negotiation of domestic letter of credit. Next, export. First, export bills per collection. Next, export bills purchase. Next, export advances. Next, export LC advising, confirmation, transfer. Next, international trade services. First, import, letter of credit, trust receipt loan, payment abstract secure, shipside bond guarantee, airway bill endorsement, and exchange, direct remittance.
The rules and contribution of Bank of Commerce in the Philippine financial system. The Bank of Commerce offers innovative banking solutions and a broader range of products and services that provide loans, credit card services, consumer banking, and trust in investments. Develops economic growth. Bank of Commerce or Bancom announced a net income of 1.49 billion for the fiscal year ending of September 30, 2022, more than the double of 626 million reported in the same period last year. The bank's outstanding performance was primarily driven by improved revenues from an enlarged portfolio of products and services, including investment banking. The San Miguel Corporation affiliate of Bank of Commerce begins the public offering of its first peso bond issuance with an oversubscription option. The initial period ran from July 11 through July 2022. The bank concluded its offering of fixed-rate bonds with a tenure of 2 years and a fixed rate of 5.063% per annum. The revenues of the fundraising effort, according to the Bank of Commerce, would be used to manage the bank's net interest margin by aligning long-term and assets with long-term funding to decrease interest rate risk, diversify funding sources, and for general business reasons. Determines corporate social responsibility and sustainability. Corporate social responsibility projects at the bank for the year 2022 have adopted the significant practice of combining malasakit, physical literacy, and volunteerism with consistency and dedication regardless of the low capacity. The bank adopted its CSR strategy for the on-ground CSR initiatives despite ongoing challenges to engage and reach out help improve our values across community. Visions. In order to achieve a low and stable inflation, they implement monetary policy. Following the global financial crisis, central banks have added more tools to their arsenals to address threats to financial stability and control fluctuating exchange rates. The commercial banks deployed a variety of traditional and non-traditional strategies in response to the COVID-19 epidemic to loosen monetary policy and sustain liquidity in important financial markets. Operates global trade services. Their services may include foreign exchange, foreign trade financing, letters of credit, global payments, export financing, and bank guarantees among the others. Provides products and services specifically designed to meet the financial needs of business. Products available are business checking and savings accounts, certificates of deposits, money market accounts, business loans, business credit cards, equipment lending, and trade finance. And lastly, the services available are treasury and cash management and services, employer services such as payroll, insurance, investment services, and asset management services.